How to fix Subway app not working. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick guide on how we can fix the issue of your Subway app not working onto your device. So for that, you need to follow some steps. But before following these steps, I want you to make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe option. So let's get started. So the very first thing I want you to do is go to your Play Store. After going to your Play Store, search for Subway. After searching for it, if your app needs any kind of update, you will be able to see the update option here instead of open. So just tap on update and wait for the update to be completed. After the update is complete, see if that fixes your issue or not. Even if that tip doesn't fix your issue, then what you can do is just long press on this app. After long pressing on it, here you can see the eye icon. So just scroll down a bit, and under usage here you will be able to see the storage option. So tap on that storage option, and here are two options called clear cache and clear data. What I want you to do is first clear on clear cache option. That may fix your issue. If that doesn't fix your issue, then what you need to do is tap on clear data. But clearing your data will reset everything, and that will reset your app, and I'm sure that method's gonna work. But even if that doesn't work, then just tap on uninstall the app and reinstall the application onto your device. You may just long press on it and tap on uninstall, or go to Play Store and tap on uninstall, and here you will be able to see the install application option. Here again, just tap on install and reinstall the application into a device. So in that way you can fix the issue that is happening into your device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.